show it. That will be an add-on, but they won't ask you about these questions, that whether you know about web scraping, or you know about HTML, or you know about Selenium. These are like add-on things. These for Python, even if you are not even if you are not that good in this, that is totally fine. Python is totally different, and this web scraping what we are doing using Selenium and all, this is just optional. This I have just added in the this our program, just to it make it more interesting, because some people, they will always ask for like project, right? You need big projects, but even if you're not that much good here, it's not an issue. If you are good with the core thing of Python, right? List, string, functions, file handling, then you are very good to attend the interviews. Okay, so just wanted to give this disclaimer before starting to this. So any doubt here, guys? Okay, so let's take this Wikipedia page. We are going to do an inspect here. Okay, if you see this, let's make it even bigger. So any HTML page, they will start with this HTML tag. Okay, they will start with HTML tag and they will end with HTML tag. I'm just creating an HTML file now. Okay, guys. So it starts with HTML, starting and closing. Okay. Then we have something called head. It is not mandatory. Okay, head is not mandatory. Ending with forward slash. Yes, forward slash, correct. Okay, and then we have something called body. Inside body, we will write other things. Okay, let's take this. So it is starting with this and ending with. I am not going into too much details, guys, because this if you go into too much details, then it will take a lot of time. I'm giving you the one which will help us in doing the project. Okay, you can explore more on your own. So in this head, we can have the title of the web page. Like we are just making it for our testing purpose. Okay. Body, inside body, this P tag indicates a paragraph. Okay, for example, I am just writing here this is the first paragraph, closing this. Again, we write another, this is the second paragraph. Two paragraphs. There are a lot of tags like this. Okay, no need to know everything. I will just show you that this is important. I'm just giving it as important. Okay, I will tell you what are these things. Just bear with me a little bit. Then okay, so this is our sample HTML file. Okay, we save it. I am just writing this in a text notepad. Okay, I will save it as let's make another folder here for HTML. Sample HTML, sample.html. HTML. I save it with .html. Okay, and make it all files. I save it. Once I save it, I go back to my folder for HTML. So this, you see, automatically when we save HTML, it is taking this default, what do you call, opening program as this Edge browser. Okay, you can either do like this, open with, you want to open with Chrome, anything. Okay, Edge is fine for me. I'm just opening this. Okay, so this is like the web page what we created, the output of these elements. Okay, so if you see inside body, uh, if you see the title, right, where is the title reflecting? It is reflecting here, testing purpose. You see this on the browser. Okay guys, and the whatever statement we have, this is the first paragraph. So, and then it is, since this is the paragraph, it is leaving one space here. Okay, this is the second paragraph. Okay, then we have used two divs. Okay, so this is how it is looking like. To see the value, to see the HTML, we will do a right click on this and we'll click on inspect. You can see the whatever we have created here in this file. You can see it over here, right guys?
So why what we are using the two syntax, the first paragraph and second?
What is it?
By default, the gap will come, right?
If you use this p tag, so these are called tags. Okay guys.
Okay.
Whatever is in this angular brackets, let me put it somewhere else. Make it a little bit small. No. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, so this whatever is enclosed in this, now these are called tags. Okay guys, and inside this tag, different tag indicates different things. Okay, like this p tag, this indicates the paragraph. Okay, div tag is, you know, just creating some divisions in our web page for separating the content, you can say. Okay, now important thing is, I have where is my web page? It is here. Yes. Now what we have to do, our job will be to extract these values from the web page. Okay, we have to extract these values from the web page. That is our main purpose of doing it. Okay, so how, first we have to understand how to get the locators for these elements. How to get the locators for these elements. Okay, so what generally we do, we'll click right click and inspect, then we'll get this kind of window. Okay, so this is called DOM. What after inspect, what window is opening now? This is called DOM. Okay, it's called document. It stands for document object model. So that I'm covering this now because if I cover this at the end now, you will guys will be confused. It will be too much. Okay, so if we cover a little bit, then it will be better for us to understand a little bit. Okay? Document object model.
So once we click on the inspect, we get that DOM, right?
We get this DOM. This is called DOM. Okay.
Okay.
What is shown here? It is this HTML is shown, but if you open a normal website, you will see many others. So if I close this, if I open this here, okay, this is DOM. If you see, we have HTML page plus we have a lot of things like here styles and all. Okay, so these are not important for us. We are interested here only in this DOM. Okay, now comes to selecting the elements. So once you click on this DOM, what is opened, a normal click, and you press Control F from your keyboard, you will get something like this: find by string selector or XPath. Can you see this? What got opened? This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So here you have to write your locator to locate these elements. Okay. And what locator we are using here, guys? We are using XPath here. Okay, we are using we are using XPath to locate the elements. XPath is one of the locators strategies. Okay, one of the locator strategies. Okay, there are two types of XPath: absolute and relative. Okay, absolute, how it happens, I will show you. Let's go to our testing page only. So our first element is an HTML. Okay, so if I give here HTML, and then we have head. Okay, and then inside head we have got title. Okay, so we are starting from the top to the bottom. This is called absolute. Okay, but if we have a very huge page, then this navigating serially one after another will be a challenge. So what do we use? We use a double forward slash, and we give the name of the tag. For example, I want to reach this. I want to read what is the title. So I will give a double forward slash, and I will give the tag name here, title. So it's see, once we give title, it is showing one of one. That means only one element is present, and that is being highlighted in yellow. Are you with me, guys, so far? If we give double slash P, okay, P is also one tag present. How many elements are there with P? What it is showing here, guys? Can you see it? One of two. Yes, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay, because there are two P
Where is
elements.
the X path?
This is X path, yes. This is the X path. And we are using relative X path. We are starting with double forward slash directly to reach that tag. Okay.
Oh, X path is nothing but in a element term is a path, right? There are two
It's a path. Yes, what we are
Okay.
what we are giving to like reach out to the like content, like to locate this web page, to locate this element. Okay, so I give a
Okay.
double slash div. How many element it is showing? Two of two. See, this is the first one of two. If I click on enter again, two of two. If you see, it is highlighted in yellow, and on the left hand side on the web page also it is highlighted in blue. Can you see this, guys? If I hover over this yellow inside the DOM, left side also it is highlighting that thing in blue. So if I highlight to the top element again, I'm moving my mouse on the DOM, and it is showing me which element it is showing on the left hand side, right? So if we give a body here instead of div, if we give a body, so the entire thing is in the body, right? So entire thing is being see this body one of one, right? Entire thing is being highlighted. Similarly, if you go to the Wikipedia web page, this our DOM is opened, guys. I am moving it to the right side top. Okay, like this. Now I click on Control F here. So our this is opened. If you see, find by string selector or XPath. Okay. So if you see here, we have something body div similar to what we have in our web page. So I give a double forward slash and this body. So this entire thing is in the body, right? If we give a div here, double slash div. How many div are present, guys? Can you
87.
see that? 87, right? I want the first div from this. I want the first div. What we will do? We will enclose everything, the entire XPath in forward bracket, and I will give this one. Then it will show me the first div. I'm just copying this and pasting here for it will be bigger. Okay, I am doing this. So we have so many divs. I want the first div. What we are doing, we are enclosing this div in bracket and giving this indexing one to get the first element. If I want the 87th element, I will give 87 here, and then it will show me one of one here, right? One of one. Similar to the web page, what we have. So we have two divs here, right? We have two divs. So I want the first div. What I will do, I will enclose this in bracket, and I will give one here. So it is giving me the first. I want the second element. I will give two here. Okay, guys. So it's already 10:30. So we just saw how we can create a like an HTML page with some sample tags. What we saw, right? P tag, title tag, div tag. Okay, we no need to understand what is the use of what. We just need to understand these are tag names, and how do we select tag names using relative XBAR? We give a double forward slash and we give the name of the tag. And if there are multiple elements, then we will use some indexing to find out, okay, I want only this value. So I will find the second element and I will extract the text from this. So any doubt, guys, till this? Are we clear? Very simple. I have not gone in depth. So, just given a very high level overview. If we don't have any doubt, we can close the session. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay, no question means no doubts. So closing the session, guys. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye.